Okay guys, I'd like to go over GPS rescue settings today so that everybody gets their GPS rescue failsafe dialed in correctly. Um, Now, it's very simple. Pardon the video, like I don't have the fancy camera equipment, but as you see I got everything set up here, and I also have my failsafe on a switch. So one thing that a lot of people overlook in their failsafe is they just go over here and they click GPS rescue and hope for the best. Well, in case you park in a tree, it's always best to leave this on. Now, I always change this. Hopefully y'all can see this. Current altitude and climb 10 meters. Then you go up here, and instead of it going to just stage 1 like it usually is, make sure it immediately goes to stage 2, which engages this. Now over here, a lot of people overlook this as well. GPS rescue is on this switch, and if you dial it in, like mine's at 2000 right there, and then angle horizon, set that at 950, that will, as soon as your failsafe is engaged, it will automatically kick you into angle mode and it'll lock GPS rescue. And there is a very easy way to test this without even getting your quad in the air. Now on my TX16S, I have my failsafe here, my GPS rescue here. Now over here in your ports tab or in your modes, if you flip your failsafe switch, you'll watch everything move. You see how all that moved? GPS rescue's engaged. Unflip it. Go straight to angle and failsafe GPS rescue. See there? And like I'll move this. See, I'm in horizon mode or I'm in acro mode. Failsafe. Bam. Goes right there and right there. That is the simplest way, and you always know that when the event of a failsafe happens, it's going to launch correctly. Now, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.